The reason there's been so much attention on these holding cells is because every day inside immigration court, ICE agents are arresting people, and they're putting them in these locations that were designed to just hold people very temporarily for less than 24 hours. But advocates say people are being held for days on end in very poor conditions.
Make a haul.
As immigration officials continue to make arrests outside immigration court, it's where they're taking people next that has increasingly come under fire. Video obtained by the New York Immigration Coalition this week shows dozens held in a small area with hardly bare necessities and only one working toilet. Mayor Adams, who's been hesitant to criticize the Trump administration, especially on matters related to immigration, began reaching out to the federal government Tuesday when the video was released. By late Wednesday night, he had drafted a letter to the General Services Administration, basically the agency which manages buildings for the federal government. The letter says the government's own data suggests people are being held for extended periods of time in these cells. And as we've reported for weeks, local lawmakers have been denied access to inspect the space. And the letter requests the GSA conduct a thorough inspection.
I think there was a deluge of criticism and video and pictures that he could not ignore.
Critics of the mayor, like public advocate Jumaane Williams, say he must do more, including attempting to order the fire department and the buildings department to conduct inspections. A spokeswoman for the mayor says the city has no jurisdiction to do this on federal property, and that the public advocate has been told this.
I would like to see something tried and be unsuccessful than to see it not tried at all.
The Department of Homeland Security insists the holding cells only keep people for very short periods of time and denies that poor conditions exist. But the New York Immigration Coalition says these are just blatant lies.
They're playing this game of roulette of what they can get away with and taking away people's rights.
And we will continue pressing the GSA, again, sort of the building service manager for the federal government, about when, if at all, these facilities will face further scrutiny. In Lower Manhattan, outside of Immigration Court, Henry Rossoff, Pix 11 News.